television. I think it's iCarly. Let's get a closer look.
Stop!
The beast is surrounding me! Ah! A basic maneuver! Oh. Ow. You okay? Okay, good. Okay, good. Okay. Okay. Oh, man. Can I help you? I don't think the locals here are friendly. Oh, well. Whoa. Lost my balance for a second. Mister, need to be alarmed. We're just going to pet you. Tiki tiki tiki. Tiki tiki doo. Tiki tiki tiki. Tiki tiki doo. Tiki tiki doo. Tiki tiki doo. Who are you on the night of January 16th? Who are you? Where were you? Don't walk away from me. I'm interrogation. You better answer the question, dog. Do you have anything to say? I'll take that as a no. I'll take my business elsewhere. Yes, can I help you? What was that? You don't like where I live? Well, what is wrong with the way I live? Okay, you can put down the guns now. He's trying to kill me. I have no witnesses. Let's go. Smother. How you like them apples? I've been defeated. I see the light. One last request. When I die, recorder, put this video on YouTube. And give me a bucket of fried chicken. Come on, wait. And a side of Sprite.